MS, or Master Street, is basically RuneScape but location-based, which is quite interesting to say the least. It is a game that has gained some traction, and as a result, there are lots of people who have wanted to dive in and see how they become as strong as possible in the game. Players might want to overcome geographic restrictions in Master Street to fully experience the game's content and maximize their enjoyment. Geographic limitations can hinder access to exclusive quests, items, and events that are tied to specific regions, creating a disparity between players based on their physical location. By bypassing these restrictions, players in remote or rural areas can engage with the same content as those in more densely populated or resource-rich areas, ensuring a more equitable and rewarding gameplay experience. Additionally, overcoming geographic boundaries allows players to participate in time-sensitive regional events and collect rare resources without the need for physical travel, enhancing their overall progress and immersion in the game. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and today I will be talking about how to overcome regional restrictions to unlock content that wasn't previously available to you before. Whether you're restricted because you live in a small town, far from heavily populated cities with these events, or just want to be able to catch up in the game while at work, we've got the solution for you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location. Like usual, we're just going to jump right into the main solution to these location-based issues that you've been facing. Specifically when it comes to Magic Streets, to be able to access regional events, that being Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location. The software is designed for all of your mobile needs, from transferring data between devices, backing up all of your phone's information, unlocking your screen if it's locked, to even spoofing your location, and is available for use on both Windows and Mac, and is compatible with both Android and iOS. Virtual Location will allow you to directly input any location in the world and force your phone to simulate that location. It even offers methods of moving between locations, including simulating walking between different places so that you can discover new treasure without having to teleport between locations, although teleportation is also available. But this is especially useful because you can start off in one location after teleporting there. Afterwards, you can set a route for you to walk along, and it will do the walking for you, which will allow you to simulate going on a stroll to even check out the area around you. But if you want to just access a specific event in said area, then you can just teleport there and do what you have to do. Granted, this is something that I would really recommend to people who are at work or on a lunch break from school with some downtime, so they can't really physically go outside to do this and still want to be able to catch up with their accounts. Like anything regarding location spoofing, you should be very careful and try not to overdo things when you're spoofing. But I do understand that you can't always take the time to go somewhere else to play because of life obligations, so just keep these things in mind. Here's how you can use Dr.Fone Virtual Location to fake your location and start participating in in-game events to catch up in the game from anywhere. First, connect your phone to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Then download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone using the link in the description. Once installed, open the software and access the Toolbox tab. Then select the Virtual Location module from the main screen. Then click on Get Started. Then from the main interface, you can select whether you want to teleport from location to location or walk between locations. You can also adjust the speed at which you move between locations by using the tabs at the bottom of the screen. Then just type in the location which you would like to travel to in the search bar, then select it. The map will move you over to that location, and then you just press move here to instantly switch locations. And it's really that easy. Now you can access Magic Streets GPS RPG from your phone while it is plugged in, and enjoy setting the proper routes for you to simulate walking along any given path. Now this will make it much more feasible to participate in regional events where you're locked out due to not being in the right place at the right time. This will help a lot of players not miss out on events due to work obligations and the like, which is a nice prospect. Of course, do this as responsibly as possible and do not start teleporting to a bunch of different locations. Try to stay within range. Now this is honestly especially great because let's say that you are actually stuck somewhere and the events that you want to play are on screen but not within reach from where you are. You can just adjust the location and move those extra steps to participate in said events. It's pretty awesome. Part 2. Tips for maximizing your playtime in Magic Street. Now, since you're going to be working on maximizing your time playing Magic Streets from home or the office, it is important to know some tips that can really come in handy when trying to become aware of events and even things to do to catch up with these events and later game sessions much more feasibly. Follow the steps that I will present you right now to maximize your time in this game. Plan ahead of events. Stay informed about upcoming events by following official announcements and community discussions. Plan your in-game activities around these events to ensure that you can participate fully and take advantage of special rewards and bonuses. Prioritize event-specific quests and objectives to maximize your gain. Optimize your routes. Efficiently plan your movement routes to cover areas with high concentrations of quests, resources, and key locations. This strategic planning will help you complete more objectives in less time, making your gameplay sessions more productive. Join a guild or community. Engaging with the guild or online community provides access to valuable resources, tips, and support. Collaborative efforts during events can lead to better results, and experienced players can offer insights on the best strategies for maximizing your participation and rewards. Upgrade and prepare your gear. Regularly upgrade your equipment and abilities to ensure you are well prepared for challenging event content. Stronger gear will help you complete quests more efficiently and handle tougher challenges, allowing you to make the most of your time in the game. Utilize boosts and consumables wisely. Save and use boosts, consumables, and other in-game resources strategically during important events. These items can significantly enhance your performance, allowing you to complete more objectives and earn better rewards during critical periods. Now, thank you so much for supporting our channel like usual. If you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and comment any of your thoughts down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Until next time, have a wonderful day.